The Canyon Wren is a small North American songbird of the wren family Troglodytidae. It is resident throughout its range and is generally found in arid, rocky cliffs, outcrops, and canyons. It is a small bird that is hard to see on its rocky habitats. However, it can be heard throughout the canyon by its distinctive, loud song. The Canyon Wren's song is loud, clear whistles echo across canyons, but the singer usually stays out of the sight, remaining high among the crevices of its cliffside home. When it can be observed, the most striking aspects of its behavior is its extraordinary ability to walk up, down, and sideways on vertical rock falls. This remarkable agility is achieved through its strong toes and long claws. These feathers enable canyon wrens to find a grip in the tiniest of depressions and fissures in the rock. Except for the white throat, the canyon wren's plumage matches its rocky habitats. This bird can half fly and half hop up steep cliffs by flapping its broad wings to extra lift. One of the best songsters in the West, the canyon wren is usually heard before it is seen. The song consists of a series of 10 to 15 loud ringing whistles, descending in pitch, gradually slowing and ending with several thin buzz. Similar to the rock wren in habitat, the canyon wren prefers steeper rocky environments, particularly in arid landscape and deep canyons and terrain, sometimes including building wood piles and rock fence. These species regularly use riparian areas for foraging and has bred away from rocky substrate. Canyon wren feeds on insects and spiders by probing into crevices by its long bill. Its coloration is rustier than that of the rock wren, with a contrasting white throat and crest. The canyon wren is more often heard than seen, and its falling series of whistle is one of the more familiar birds call of the canyons of the western United States. They also get their source of liquid from the insects by consume. The male defends nesting territory by singing. The nesting site is usually in hole or crevices in rocky cliffs, among rock piles, on ledges, in cave, sometimes in crevices in stone buildings, in abandoned sheds, in hollow stumps, or similarly protected sites. Nest is built by both sexes that have foundations of twig, grass, bark chips, and the other coarse items, topped with cup of softer materials such as fine grass, moss, leaves, spiderweb, plants, animal hairs, and feathers. The bird lays 4 to 6 eggs, that is white with reddish brown and gray speckles. The eggs are usually white, lightly dotted with reddish brown. The incubation is done by female. The incubation period is 14 to 18 days. The male feeds female during incubation period. Both parents feed nestlings. The young bird leaves nest in 2 weeks or may remain with parents for several weeks or more. The canyon wren flight is steadily, straight, and fluttery. Broad-rounded wings let it glide to the lower perch. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.